Hello everyone. My name is Kumar Gaurav
And my name is Bhavyashree.
and welcome back to our channel Let's Practice Together. So in our coding challenge series, we have taken one more question for you that is reverse words in a string. So Bhavya, can you read the question for me?
Sure. Given an input string S, reverse the order of the words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in S will be separated by at least one space. Return a string of the words in reverse order concatenated by a single space.
Hmm,
Note that S may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words. The returned string should only have a single space separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces.
perfect. So what will be your approach? As we can see that this is just string type question.
Huh?
So tell me what will be your approach?
Okay. As we can see in the question, it has given that string may contain leading or trailing spaces.
Hmm,
So I will keep two pointers like start and end, and by using while loop, I will remove those spaces. Simply, I can take another string and can push each word one by one in reverse manner.
perfect. So let's start writing the code. We can see if any error we will get or if your logic is correct.
Okay, sure.
So you will take two pointer start and end.
End.
Hmm. After that, what you will do?
We will remove leading and trailing zero
Okay.
spaces.
So while start is less than end, and your s,
And we will check.
you will check if your string is containing any space. That means leading
Huh,
space. So then you
huh.
will move your start pointer forward. Perfect.
Hmm. And same for trailing zeros.
Same for trailing zero. So what you will do if your start is less than end, same thing. But this time you will check if your end pointer containing space. Yes.
Huh,
So we'll go minus minus of end. Perfect. So now you have two pointer which is at the starting
huh,
of the string at the end of the string after
huh.
removing trailing and leading space. So now how you will take that string?
By using substring, we can take that string.
Okay, so write it. Okay, so you are updating s only. So s equals to sub str. But sub str will take the substring of what? You have to write s dot sub str, right?
Huh, huh, huh.
Hmm. So start comma. So sub str is a function which takes two parameter. First will be the index from where you want to start, and second will be the length. Correct?
Huh,
Yes. So end minus start plus one. Perfect. So now you have the complete string.
huh.
Huh. So now what you will do?
Now we will take two more pointers to keep the first index for the word
Hmm.
and the ending index.
Okay. So right, you will write and I equals to 0, j equals to 0, and
And one more we will take length of the string.
length of the string. Okay. Hmm. And then,
We will take while loop
huh,
till I less than n.
and perfect. So you will
Now we
traverse
will
all the string. Huh. Now you will.
uh, now we will take one more while loop
Hmm.
to point the I to the first word's first index.
Okay.
If there is any, they said like multiple spaces between two words can also exist.
Hmm. So you
So
have to
to
avoid
huh,
that spaces in the middle.
huh.
Perfect.
So
So you
I
will
less
go
than n
I less than n,
and
and
s
if
of
your
y
hmm, if that
is
will
equal
contain any space, then I plus plus. Perfect.
huh.
And then
And same way copy to j I.
j. Hmm.
And we will just move the j pointer until we don't get any space so that
Okay.
we will get the last index of the word.
Word. So basically, you are taking the complete word.
Huh.
So if while j is less than n and s of j is
Not
not
equal.
equals to space, perfect. Then j plus plus. So I will be start with 0 in this example number 1 and j will go till e.
Huh.
Not e. I think j will loop after that space as he will counter the space. So basically the
Huh.
fourth index j will be fourth.
Huh.
Okay, so now you have to take this that
Now,
word.
substring.
Hmm.
We
So
will store it in some sub
okay,
and s dot
s dot sub str, perfect. And
starting
then
index and
starting
length
index length will be what? J
j
minus
minus
I.
I.
Because you want to take until E only.
Huh.
Correct. So you got
And
the
then
word, now what you will do?
and we will append to the answer.
But where is the answer?
Okay, we should take it.
Okay. So you will take one more string, answer,
Hmm.
that will be empty, and in that only you will append. Perfect.
Huh.
So answer will be what? You have to append in the reverse manner, right?
So first we will uh, append this sub to
Hmm.
the answer.
So whatever new word it will append in the starting of the word.
Huh.
Okay. And they've also said like two words will be separated with a single space. So you have to append one space also. Perfect.
Huh.
And then your previous answer.
Hmm.
Hmm.
And we will return the answer.
Okay. But you have to increase the I also after the while loop. So after answer will be completed, now your I will
Huh.
become the J, like the end of the word.
Huh.
Correct?
Yeah.
Hmm. So now let's run the code.
Hmm.
So why you are getting, what is your output? Blue is sky the. So everything is perfect, only you are getting one extra space.
The
So why the
space.
extra space? Because as soon as you will get the, in starting there is no nothing, right?
Huh.
But then also you will get one space. So the space. How you will
Uh,
remove that one?
hmm. Like if the answer is empty in starting,
Hmm.
then we won't append
Perfect. So right, if answer,
size.
okay, or answer dot length, whatever, both are
Huh.
correct. If answer dot length is equals to 0, then what you will do, you
That
will
is not equal to 0.
not equals to 0, then you will do this one.
Huh.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, just
answer equals to sub, no need of space. So you have to write else, otherwise it will encounter every
huh.
time. So only for one test case scenario you are writing else answer equals to sub. Perfect. Now run the code
Huh.
and you will not get that extra space. Perfect. So now you can submit the code.
Hmm.
So you have used only while loop without using any library function. So you got your
Huh.
answer, right? So in C++
Huh.
there is one library function also which is called string stream.
Okay.
In that what will happen, if you call the string stream function, then you can take each and every word from that string without any other extra effort. So just delete this whole thing and I will guide you how to use that library function. Like
Okay,
after
sure.
that you can complete the function in like 4 line.
Okay.
So just take a string stream
Okay.
and then call it, give it any name like whatever you want to give.
Right. Okay.
So what happening, like string stream allows us to read the string word by word. So you have to
Huh.
pass what you want to call. So str will be a function, like just
Hmm.
pass s as a parameter, string stream str
Okay.
and pass the s. So now str you can call word by word. So write one another, take one another string and call it a name like word or anything, and you need an
Huh.
answer to return. So comma answer. After that, after word only you can write word comma answer. Yes,
Huh.
that's it. And after that just take a while loop. And in this while loop what we can do, we can take that str, right, str, and then
Hmm.
double that greater than sign
Okay.
and then write word. So what we are doing, we are reading str word by word and pasting it to the word. So now word
Okay.
will contain the sky is blue separately in each iteration. So we
Hmm.
can simply append in the answer. So write answer equals to same word
Hmm.
plus that space whatever we need in middle, and after that answer in same way. And what you did in the last question, you have done the if condition and everything, right, to check if the answer size is whatever. So what we can
Huh.
simply do, just return answer at last. After 8 number line, just return answer. And now let's give a think, like just run the code, and you will get the same output what we got there also in the first time, like blue is sky the space, right? Scroll down and we can see. So this is the easiest
Huh.
method to do. Now you think like how you can just eliminate that space at last with the help of substring, right?
Huh.
We know like
Huh.
okay, complete length is there, but we don't want the last one, so just return answer dot substr. In that line only write answer dot substr. So starting index will be 0, but we will change the last index where n minus 1. What is an answer dot size? Minus 1. Correct? That is only na length.
Huh.
Answer dot size is the complete length, but we want one less. So now just
Huh.
run the code. So now you can get rid of that if and else condition from your code also.
Okay.
Perfect. It's
Huh.
accepted. Now you can submit the code. So what you did was completely correct. If in interview you are going to you have been asked this question, then simply go with that code. But even in
Okay.
competitive coding, if you wanted this reverse words wala thing, and you are using
Hmm.
C++, then you can simply use this string stream library. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so we will meet in the next question. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe, and keep coding. Thank you.
Thank you.